Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of this Fifine USB microphone. Alright, so as I'm filming this, I'm actually filming and using the microphone of the older version of this Fifine microphone. I saw that they updated, got more of a modern, sleeker design, and these microphones are relatively cheap and they're just USB plug-in. Literally for our main setup, 95% of the time, it's just a webcam like this and then a USB plug-in microphone. So let's do the unboxing. Alright, we've got the manuals, nobody reads, some sort of bookmark, and then here we go. We've got the Fifine microphone. It's actually seems smaller than this one right here, and definitely completely different design. Alright, so we've got the microphone right here, along with the USB plug-in. I like USB mics because I like things to just plug and play, easy, plug it in, connect to it, and then you can use it. So with this microphone, this part rotates around so you can move it around. Also, it's got a knob here that you can tilt. It also has a volume knob here. And we also have this mini tripod. So it's very simple. You just screw it on and then boom, there you go. It's ready to go and you can just literally place it on the table here. So as you can see here, compared to the older version, it's got much more of a modern, sleeker design. So let's test this out. Okay, so I've got a USB port here, so I'm just literally gonna plug it in. Alright, so I'm gonna test the microphone now. I'm gonna test the microphone without any external audio, so just the microphone from this laptop, so it's probably gonna sound really bad. And then I'm gonna test the new Fifine microphone. Alright, testing. This is the no microphone. We have no microphone. It's just the laptop microphone, no external microphone. How bad does this sound? Alright, we are hooked up to the new Fifine USB microphone. I'm talking softly. How does this sound? How does it sound if I talk really close? Let me turn. So far I've had the volume knob kind of like in the halfway point. Let's turn it all the way up. So what does this sound like when it's all the way up? And then I'm gonna turn it all the way down. What does that sound like? Okay, now I'm moving it back towards where I had it before, which was about halfway. How does this sound? Alright, so I've switched over to the new Fifine microphone and we will be using this one. Alright, so those are all the audio tests of the Fifine USB microphone. I love how you can just plug it in USB. I love how small and portable it is. Like, this box is so small, you can travel around with it. We used to have a Blue Yeti microphone, which was a lot heavier, a lot bigger, and it was not travel friendly. So I like the style of it, I like the way it sounds, easy to use, the price is great. Overall, I would totally recommend this USB microphone. In my opinion, you can definitely use this if you are a YouTuber, if you have conference calls, if you're doing an online course, and you're recording yourself in the computer screen like this. If you guys are interested in checking this microphone out, head down to the description below as I will have the Amazon links for you guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash the thumbs up and I'll see you guys in the next video.